Absolutely not expecting this either today. Good morning, day 30. And I'm gonna try to do 30 miles on day 30. It's another long shot, but myself and this guy, Swiss Chris, were like, let's do 30 on our 30th day because he happened to start the same as me. And it means tomorrow is only 12 into Damascus. So let's go for it. 30 for 30. 3.1 miles in the first hour. It's been about my pace lately. And then until I factor in my stops and everything throughout the day, lunch break and breaks, puts me about 2.5 average. So if I keep this up by 8 o'clock tonight, it'll be 30 miles. All right, I guess we go across this big old reservoir. Something I learned on my last 30-mile day is, I guess you want to attempt them when the terrain gives it to you. Today, I think it is. I have one big climb. It's like 2,000 feet up. But then after that, it's relatively flat, so to speak. That gives me some hope that we can pull this off. Also, shoe just needs to hold together till Damascus. The bottom, like I said, came off, so I got some Leuco tape on there. It's not looking great though. But we make do with what we got. This is my first time having gushers since I can remember. And holy mother, they are good. Like, give me speed, baby. Seven miles in, I'm up most of the climb. There's another little leg up, but from here out, it's just kind of rolling. So we'll keep on going. I feel great. I got my noodles soaking, so I'm gonna have a quick lunch. And I guess we can talk about Damascus since I've been mentioning it so much lately. I've got a resupply box there with new contact lenses, a new OPSAC, yeah, just a couple little random things from home. And then I've got my new shoes there. I'm gonna try the Hoka Speed Goats, and they have them in my size, so hopefully they fit well. If not, I'll have to try something else, but regardless, I need new shoes when I get there. I am 4 hours into the day and just crossed the 10-mile mark, so another 8 hours of walking put me at 30. It's pretty easy up on this ridge, can't lie about that. So today's definitely the day for it. So is this section along Watauga Lake a little boring? Yes. Am I absolutely loving it every step of the way? Even more, yes. It's just gentle rolling on top of the mountain, on the ridge. It's just making good time, not breaking myself. I know it don't last long, but take the wins when you can get them. "16 miles, 14 to go." I'm very, very excited about my new shoes tomorrow. 20 miles, 10 to go. It's 3 o'clock. Keep on keeping on. It's so cool when it just opens up. Right back in the woods after a short little break. I like that a lot. It's 5 o'clock. We're 24 miles in. This is when it gets tough. Just gonna keep it up. Might have to go a little farther. There's been a lot of like bear activity comments. I'm far out, so let's get to the first shelter and see how we feel. 30 miles, 10 hours, 45 minutes. It's all bonus time from here now for the day. Yes. To recap for the day, we had to walk another 1.4 miles, so 32.2 total. Saw 4 bear today. They were all pretty small. Didn't see mom or dad around anywhere, but it's been an active day. Guy I'm with saw a rattlesnake as well. So it's been a busy one. I'm gonna get to camp, get some water, and we'll catch you guys in the morning.